Hi everybody! Thanks for dropping by the craft room. We wanted to take a moment to wish all of our American friends and family a very safe and happy holiday long weekend. Happy Thanksgiving to you guys. We hope you have a great time with your friends and your family and that you have a little time for some creativity too. We also wanted to take this opportunity to say that we are participating in Black Friday this year. We love to do a little Black Friday sale over at our Etsy shop. All of our digital crochet patterns will be 25% off. It's our biggest sale of the year, and that is now active from Thursday, today, November the 28th, right through the weekend to Cyber Monday, December the 2nd. So if you want to check out the sale going on in our Etsy shop, you can click the link in the description box down below. It'll take you there. We have 225 digital crochet patterns there now. Once you make a purchase, you can download it immediately and you can get crafting. We also have a whole new section on 18-inch doll clothes. So if you know anyone in your life who loves their doll, then consider making them some 18-inch doll clothing just in time for the holidays. Anyway, there's no special coupons. Everything's already marked down. You can check it out. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. And in the meantime, have a wonderful long weekend, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye, everybody.